My name is Claudia Ruiz. I work for the Mesoamerican Reef Fund. I am based in Guatemala City. Our solution is innovative because this is a financial instrument. The main objective of this financial instrument is to provide immediate funds for the recovery and restoration of coral reefs to build resilience of the entire Mesoamerican reef and of the population that depends on the services that the ecosystem provides. We implement this solution in 4 countries. That includes the Mesoamerican Reef region. We incorporate the local knowledge into the solution. We know that they know how to build resilience. They know about the storms. They have knowledge in terms of how the coral reefs behave in terms of different stresses and threats. So by including all the local communities into the project, we are incorporating and taking into consideration their knowledge. The UNDP have supported our project by providing the funding that we need in order to build all the components of the project. The project is about designing an insurance instrument. The project is about building capacity, incorporating all the stakeholders that depend on the reef and that make decisions about the management of the reef. One main thing that is very important to replicate the solution is by training trainers. If you train people, if you can train in more trainers, people that are available and are able to provide this knowledge to other people, it is perfectly replicatable in other regions, in other sites, and also to respond to other assets and to other threats.